if you put the 4 out, then the 0. I think it's weird.
Okay, so we have problem number 11, and this is quite complicated, but this problem mostly occurs in free response because there are a lot of stuff to do, and 2 minutes is not enough for this kind of problem. If you find it difficult, if you forget this, uh, these are the options, guys. So what are all the points of inflection of the graph of the function? So the given function is f of x is equal to 3x to the power of 4 minus 2x squared. So first, what we do first, we have to take the derivative, right? First derivative. So again, highlight points of inflection. Okay, so we do f prime of x is equal to, we have 12 x to the power of 3. So 12 x to the power of 3, and then minus 4x, right? Okay, minus 4x. Then we can equate, or we don't have to equate into 0, but proceed by taking the second derivative. Do you get me? But, okay, so we have second derivative is equal to 36x squared minus 4. And then you're gonna equate into 0, right, Jenny? So equating this to 0, that means 0 is equal to 36x squared minus 4. So, or we can say 36x squared is equal to positive 4. Then what we do, we divide both sides by 36, right? Okay, so I'll continue right here. So this means x squared is equal to 4 over 36. Okay? And take the square root. Okay, so this means x is equal to square root of 4 over 36. So implies square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of 36 is 6. Okay? So we have plus and minus 2 over 6. So therefore, we're gonna reduce this into lowest term. So that means positive and negative 1/3. So plus and minus 1/3. Okay, remember, this is the value of x. And what do you think is the next step? We're gonna what? We need this because this is x, and the options right here is in terms of x and y, right? So that means guaranteed that we have, let's take a look first on option A. Is option A inviting to you to answer A? It's a no, right? Okay, because we already have the values of x, so we have to knock that out. Next, we're gonna have to focus on the value that has negative 1/3 and positive 1/3. So, can this be a candidate? Can this be a candidate? Can this be a candidate also? So, that means in the coordinate there must be x and y. X and y, right? So what we are after now is to plug in to the original function, the f of x. Take positive 1/3 as the value. Remember, f of x is considered to be y, right? Okay, can you plug in first 1/3 in this function? So implies f of 1/3 is equal to 3 and then 1/3 to the power of 4 minus 2 times 1/3 square. Okay. Everybody, please do it. So, implies that this is 3 times 3 to the power of 4. What is 3 to the power of 4? 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 81? Okay. It's gonna be 81. Minus 2 times 1/9. Am I right, guys? So this is now by 3 or 3/81, right? What is 3/81? 1/27. Okay. 3 over. Okay. 1/27 minus 2/9. Okay, what we do now? Take the LCD. What's the LCD, guys? 27. Okay, I'll do it here. 27. So 27 divided by 27 is 1 times the numerator 1 is 1 minus 27 divided by 9, 3. Okay, then times the numerator 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. So what's our final answer right here? Negative 5/27. This is the value of, what is this particularly? It's the y. Very good. So this is the value of y. Okay? It's the value of y. So, based on this, what do you think is the best answer? Is it letter B, letter C, or letter D? Based on your judgment, what you have? So, we're gonna have to knock out D. But, careful. Careful with this. Which of these two? If you choose C, let me know. Raise your hand. If you choose C, raise your hand. Nobody's raising the hand. If you choose D, raise your hand. Very good. Can you focus on them? D, raise your hand properly. Okay, majority is D. And D is the right answer. Okay, this is correct.